Perfect.
What's up, y'all? So I'm super excited about this video. It has been years since I've given away any type of hair. One of my followers just reminded me the last time that I gave away some hair was in person at my beauty hour event that I did every single year. Last year was the first year that we didn't do the women empowerment brunch, and I do a beauty hour before the actual brunch starts, and I would give away, I think Avery Balls was the last hair that I ever gave away. So it has been way too long, girl. So I'm ready to hook y'all up with some nice hair. And y'all already know I'm an old school YouTuber. If you are new here, welcome. I'm very old school. I'm very basic. I'm the most basic old school YouTuber you will ever find on this platform. I'm sure. I can bet you that. Only like reviewing hair that I know that I've either worn before and liked it, had it for a long time, or I've used this company years ago in the past. I know nowadays this is not shade. A lot of people are selling hair, and a lot of people are giving it to YouTubers, influencers on Instagram, and they expect you to do a review as soon as you open the package up. Because I get the emails all day, every day, DMs all day, every day from companies like, can you review this wig? Yeah, we need a video by Monday. Can I wear it first? Thank you. So I only like to tell you guys about companies that I truly, really, in real life, wear the actual hair. I stick to my old faithfuls, the hair companies that I love, that I've been using for years, because that's just what I like. So I'm so excited that Myhaireden has relaunched because they went away. I was so mad.
Like, where y'all at? Like, come on, I need some good hair. Like, what are you doing?
They're one of my top companies. I have about, not many, I have 3 or 4 companies that I just go to all the time. Like, I'm not trying nobody else. They're one of my top companies. I will be giving away the Brazilian curly, which is what's in my head right now. So this is the Brazilian curly hair from Myhaireden. I've had this actual hair in my head since September. Not in my head physically, but I've had these bundles since September. So I'm wearing about 4 bundles, maybe 3 in some. The lengths were 26, 26, 24, and I think a 22. Sorry about that. I frame it to my face so I can get more of a natural look. So I'm 5'4". I know a lot of you guys think I'm taller than I look. Thank you, but I'm not. I'm 5'4". So this is the length of the hair on me. And again, I'm 5'4", so you can see it goes all the way to my booty. I don't know if y'all can see that. So if you can see that, right there. I ain't trying to twerk y'all, I promise. I'm trying to show y'all that hair. So guys, I will be giving away 4 bundles of this hair that's in my head. The Brazilian curly hair. It is so freaking lit. Like, I love curly hair that has ringlets at the bottom. It looks so natural. Everywhere I go, people think it's my hair, or they ask me,
is that a frontal?
So it's super natural, it's super soft. I love everything about it. It's big hair, it's everything I asked for curly hair. Y'all know I love me some curly hair. So the only thing I did to my bundles is I colored it black because I dyed my hair like a jet black. Every so often I dye it black, and I just love how black hair looks on me. So that's the only thing I did to the hair was dye it black, and it bounced right back. It's still soft, it's full. And I blend my hair the same exact way I've been blending for years, as you can see. And I actually did a quick little updated tutorial on how I blend my leave out with the hair that I'll actually post. It's very quick because I do the same exact technique with the rollers. So it blends it with my hair. People always asking me if it's a frontal. Every time I wear this hair, I actually went to Publix earlier and somebody stopped me thinking it was a frontal wig. So no, it's not a frontal. No shade of frontals, but this is my hair. And I've been wearing this style since I was in 12th grade. So my hair is just trained to blend with this. Again, I did do a video update on how I blend my hair, but it's the same exact technique, y'all. So that's why I'm super excited about this giveaway, because so not only are you gonna get the 4 bundles of hair, I'm gonna make it into a custom made wig. Yes, a custom made wig. It doesn't matter however you want the wig made, whoever wins. It doesn't matter how you want the wig made, if you want a half wig like me or if you want a whole custom wig. Now, it's up to the winner. However, I suggest you get the full wig because I can also do a flip over method wig with the closure piece. So you don't have to do like all this leave out, because I know these days everybody like frontals, everybody like closure. So I suggest that it'd be best if whoever wins get the closure put on, because you can also wear your closure as a flip over method wig as well. This is how the hair was just laid up in the bag. Now I can't lie, I had the bag thrown in the corner with some other hair. So this is how the hair looks. This is how it looks straight out of the bag that I had. And I'm gonna show you how it looks when you co-wash this hair. So this is the 20-inch, which I have. No, I don't have a 20 in my head, but this is a 20-inch. And this is a 22. So I do have a 22 in my head as well. Now this is how, just to be honest, this is how the hair looks straight out the bag. And this is why it's so important. Also, some tips with curly hair to always co-wash your hair before you get it installed or made into a wig. Or you can make the wig and then wash it, but it's always easier when you go ahead and wash the wig, because look how the hair turns out once you co-wash the hair. The ringlets start popping out when you put that product on it. It's beautiful. So these are unwashed bundles that was just in the bag, okay? And these are the other two bundles that I co-washed. Now look at these ringlets. Look how beautiful this is. I didn't do nothing special to it. I co-washed it with some Aussie. I think it's the 3-Minute Miracle. That's all I put in it. I didn't put no argan oil in this hair. I wanted you guys to see the raw form of this hair after it being co-washed. Look how beautiful this is. And like I said, it's the same exact hair that's in my head. As you can see, now you can really see the color. I colored my hair like jet black, and this is the natural color of the actual bundles. So it's the same exact hair. These are co-washed bundles that I didn't take no time to co-wash. I took about maybe 10 minutes to do both, if that. And this is how the hair looks. And the more you co-wash this hair, the more it gets trained, the more these ringlets pop. We can compare how the hair looked out the bag compared to when you wash it and those ringlets start popping. So that's why I washed half of the bundles and I didn't wash the one straight out the bag, so you can kind of see how beautiful this hair is. It is so freaking lit. And 4 bundles and a closure made into a custom unit by me. So I wish everybody look out there. And don't worry, this is not the last giveaway. We have some more hair to give away too. The first rule is you must follow me, thomasadrianna Beauty, on Instagram. You follow my regular page, that's fine, I love it, but I want you guys to follow my beauty page, since I will be sponsoring the actual unit that I'll be making for the winner. So you must follow thomasadrianna Beauty on Instagram. The second rule is you must follow Myhaireden on Instagram as well. All you have to do is follow Myhaireden on Instagram and follow me, thomasadrianna Beauty, on Instagram. Come back to this video and leave your Instagram name. Don't put @ with your Instagram name, because I don't think YouTube is gonna take it. So just write out your Instagram name. You can say done, you can say hey girl, what's up, you can say I want that hair. Say whatever y'all want to say in the comments below. Make sure you follow Myhaireden on Instagram, follow thomasadrianna Beauty on Instagram, and put done or leave your Instagram name in the comments below on this video, okay? Good luck. I cannot wait to make a custom wig for one of you guys with this beautiful freaking hair. Look at this. Y'all get jealous again. I got this in my head already. Sincerely love this hair. Even if you don't win the contest or anything like that, just check the website out. They have amazing quality hair. Like, I'm not lying to you. Like, if you know me, you know I don't be lying about no hair. Like, if it's trash, I'm gonna tell you. And I would not put my name this deep in some hair ever if I felt like it was trash. So yes, check them out. Make sure you follow me, follow Myhaireden, and good luck.